Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play jigsaw puzzles. Start by finding an ideal spot for your puzzle adventure. A flat, stable surface, like a large table, is essential. Make sure it's well lit to prevent eye strain and allow you to see all the intricate details clearly. A dedicated puzzle mat or board can be incredibly helpful, especially if you need to move your puzzle or save your progress. This initial setup ensures a smooth and enjoyable experience from the very beginning. Once your space is ready, it's time to sort the pieces. Begin by flipping every single piece face up. This makes identifying them much simpler. Next, carefully separate all the straight-edged pieces from the rest. These will form the crucial border of your puzzle. After that, group the remaining pieces by color, texture, or any unique patterns you notice. This systematic approach significantly speeds up the building process. With your edge pieces sorted, the next step is to build the border. This acts as the frame for your entire puzzle, giving you a clear boundary to work within. Refer to the puzzle box image frequently to guide you in placing the edge pieces correctly. Start by finding and connecting the 4 corner pieces, then gradually fill in the straight edges. This foundational step provides a solid structure for the rest of your puzzle. Now for the exciting part, filling in the middle. Focus on one distinct section at a time, perhaps an area with a unique color or a recognizable object. Pay close attention to the shapes of the pieces and how their tabs interlock. The puzzle box image is your best friend here. Consult it often to confirm placements and identify specific details. Gradually, these smaller sections will connect, bringing your entire picture to life.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.